Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog again. I'm walking again to the hill, and yes, I am happy. I am able to reach my goal, but though it is very hard, but it's okay. You know, the dream that I have, is too far, too high, too high to jump. Yeah, but it's okay. We have to work for it. I need to see someone there. Maybe someone is walking. Have to continue. Yeah. Even if your dream is too high, we have to continue. We have to work for it. And never let the negativities in your head poison your head. Because our dream may be too difficult, but little by little it will be conquerable. Wow, what a word, Char. Senel. Yeah. God bless everyone. I'm now on that very hill. See? With a beautiful sunrise. Have a good day, everyone. And God bless. Enjoy.